Namaste children. Welcome to today's English class. In today's class, we are going to deal with workbook. That is from the lesson Venu's Time Machine S3 and S4. Open your workbook to page number 22. Making connections. What is this making connections? Making connections means when in the story when you read certain situation or any one event, what does that remind you of? So that we will connect it to the real world. So here see the first bit. Read the story Venu's Time Machine and fill in the T chart. So this is T chart with two columns. In the first column it is given when I read in Venu's time Machine. So when you read in Venu's Time Machine certain event, that one that you need to write. It reminds me of in the real world. So you have to start the sentence here with it reminds me of. Okay. So in Venu's Time Machine, any one event, one or two events you can write, children. Any two events you pick it up and write. And when you have read that particular event, what does that remind you of in the real world, that you have to write in the next column. Now coming to the first one. In Venu's Time Machine, Venu will be asking the meal maker machine to give a different kind of food as he's bored of sandwiches, isn't it? So that you can write, that incident you can, that event you can write here, children. So when what does that remind you of? Yes, it reminds you of when you have asked your mom to give variety of food, isn't it? So how you will write this is when Venu asked meal maker machine to give him different kind of food as he's bored of eating sandwiches. It reminds me of when I asked my mom to make a variety of food. Okay, now the other one. Venu went to his mom's office, isn't it, children? So how does he go? He went in a teleporter. So that particular event, what does that remind you of? Yes, it reminds you of when there is a holiday to school. You might have gone to your mom's office. That you can write, isn't it? Now, anything else, children? Yes, in Venus Time Machine, Venus mom, she'll be working on time traveler, isn't it? So Venus mom was working on time traveler. So when she is doing that sort of work, what does that remind you of? It reminds me of my father working on a computer, isn't it? So like that you write any two incidents you take and write, children. Is this clear? Shall we move on to the second one? Okay, now see the second one. How is the story Venu's Time Machine similar to and different from Where Have All the Tigers Gone? So now here, think, pause my video, think how these two stories are similar and how they are different. Yes, same. So first you can put the heading same. In both the stories, what is the theme, children? Yes, theme is same. So what is the theme? The theme is to save tigers and forest. So that similarity you can write. So you can put either same or similarity in the first line and write both the stories theme is to save tigers and forest. Now coming to difference or different, anything you can write. So how they are different? So how is Venus Time Machine and how is that Where Have All the Tigers Gone? So in Venus Time Machine, in Where Have All the Tigers Gone, it shows the problem in the present world, isn't it? So present world, the problem it shows. Whereas in Venus Time Machine, it um, predicts a future possibility. Okay, that you can write. Now see the third one. What things from the story do you think will happen in the future? Why? So from that particular story, what are the things or what are the machines which are there which have a possibility to happen in the future? Think of any. What are the things which can happen in the future? Yes, I think. So whatever it is, you can write I think mm, teleporter will come. Okay, okay, will come in future. Why? Because also you have to write why reason also, because the world is developing with new technologies. So I think teleporter machine can come. Okay, so you write I think teleporter will come because the world is developing with new technologies. Okay, and also this meal maker machine, certain machines we have. Okay, the food processor machines we have. Okay, maybe advanced technology may come. Okay, Now see the fourth one. Read that fourth one, children. What things from the story do you think will not happen in the future? Why? So what are the things which are there in the story which will not happen in future? So teleporter can happen, meal maker machine, food processor will happen. Okay, then what is the other machine which we have? Yes, right, time traveler. So I think time traveler will not happen in future, or will not come in future. Okay, why? Because it is very tough, it is very difficult, isn't it, children, to go into past or to go into future. It is highly impossible. So that reason you can write. So how will you write? I think time traveler will not happen in future, or will not come in future, because traveling past and future in time is not possible. So in this way you can write. Is this clear, children? Now open to page number 23, S4, using will, would and could. So first of all we'll answer these questions, and then we'll know how to use will, would and could, children. Yes, answer the questions in complete sentences. Will machines talk like humans 100 years from now? Yes. Okay. Yes, put a comma, and machines will talk like humans. You can write till there. Right? Now, what could you do if you had a talking machine? What you will do, children? Yes, I could share my secrets with the talking machine. Or you can also write, I could give instructions to do my work. C1. Would you like to be friends with such a machine? Yes, everyone wants to have a different friend, isn't it, children? Yes, I would like to be friend with such a machine. D1. What won't be there 100 years from now? So what will not be there, children? Yes, there won't be trees, animals, fresh air and also pure water. Is this clear? Now we'll move on to the second bit. Now in the second bit, fill in the blanks with correct helping verbs from brackets. So in brackets, verbs are given. Out of those two, any one you need to select it. So before that, let us know how to use will, would and could. Will and won't. These two talk about predictions for the future. Okay, I will. I will surely get first rank. So that is about future, right? Now coming to would and could. So both this would and could, they will tell about the events that depend on certain situation. Okay, I would buy a new pen, I would buy a big pen if I had money, like that. Okay, that is, they will tell about, or that tells about the events that depend on certain situation. So what is the situation over here? That if I had money, that is the situation. I would do it if I had money, if I had certain thing, like that. Okay, then, so what is the would is the past form of will, and could is the past form of can. Now we'll see separately this would and could, how they are used. Now coming to would. So would is used to talk about the possibilities that may happen as a result. Okay, it may happen as a result of this. Okay, so that is, it talks about the possibilities that may happen as a result of this, like that. Okay, now coming to could. So could is used to talk about ability. Okay, I could do it. So like that. So if I could visit future, that is possibility, if there is a possibility. Okay, like that. Now coming to the blanks, children. First one, I dash buy new shoes if I had money. So I would buy shoes if I had money. Okay, clear. Then next one, I dash surely reach school on time. So it is future, no? I will, it is a prediction about the future. I will surely. Then C1, if dogs could fly, I dash keep them as pets. So would you like to keep them as pets, children? No, I wouldn't. Okay. Next, I dash certainly pass with good marks. So this is about future prediction. So I will. Next one, I wish I dash fly. So I wish. So here there is a it is talking about the ability of a person, I. Okay, so I wish I could fly. Next one, I dash be able to reach school on time. So here it is also the future prediction. So I won't be able to reach school on time. So this is about future. Okay, if I could visit the future, I dash do it. So if I could visit the future, I would do it. Okay, now see the third one. If you could travel in a time machine, where would you like to go? Why? So you need to give reason where you want to go and why. So if you can start like this, children, if I could travel in a time machine, I would like to go. Where you want to go, that you write, to certain place, or you would like to go to past you want to go, or to future, children. Yes, shortly I think future only. So you can write I would like to go to future because I would like to know, or I would like to see my future, or anything like that. You can write, you can give the reason for that. Is this clear, children? Have you all followed? Yes. Thank you, children.